Hey, Rudy.
What's up, pretty crew? Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Take. So from the title, you can see that we are doing soap brows today. Y'all are gonna see how to do it and what's the big hype about soap brows. Like, oh my god, like I've been hearing them all the time. And one of my pretty crew members was telling me or asking me, she was like, hey, can you do a video on soap brows? I said, girl, yes, I can do that. I did my research because I didn't want to come on here and just be blinded and not know what I'm talking about or what I'm doing. Before we go any further into this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then you're not with this pretty crew. You ugly. Come join this pretty crew so you can get all the best tips, stay with the trends, stay with the beauty, be flawless like moi. But all right, let's jump into this video. So first, we're just gonna go ahead and spray this soap bar, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my spoolie too. You just wanna make sure it's damp, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just kinda press it into the soap. All right, and now we can go in, and you want to make sure that your brush is clean as well. And I only tap it in there because I find that if I rub it up in there, then I'm gonna get a lot of residue. So just brush your hairs up the way you want. And as you can see, I'm getting a little residue up there.
But everybody, even including myself, is like, what's the big hype about soap brows?
So with soap brows, you get like, first off, it's affordable, okay? It's more affordable than any kind of gel brow stuff that you can buy. And it holds your hairs in place for a good, a long time. So, after a while, you'll feel that they're starting to get a little harder because they're set in place. And on top of that, it makes them look thicker. Can you see the difference? My brow is so much thicker on this side than this side. And did y'all know this was originated in 2016? Why are we just now finding out about this? Well, why am I just now finding out about this? I didn't know this was a thing, but it was really popular with drag queen makeup, with runway makeup, just so that you stand out a little more. And then you just do the same thing with the opposite side. And the whole point of doing soap brows is so that you have a little bit more of a natural feathered look. Now, I don't know if I would really do the feathered where they're separated, but I do love how they kind of just, I don't know, it's just the look that I'm getting. They are scattered, but they're still neat. I don't know if I'm the only one that loves this, but I really love when your brows are standing up at the front. And then it kind of goes with the flow. And I like that. Whole purpose of drawing in your brows is so that they look a little bit thicker. But if you do this method, you really don't need that much product at all. Bro, I love it. I think I just found a new thing I like. Now, one thing I will recommend, just make sure you let your brows, kind of just set and dry. After a while, if you touch them, they're gonna kind of feel a little hard because they're setting in. So it's really your decision or not if you want to use a pencil, a pomade, whatever you use. But if you do, I would recommend that you use something a little lighter and just natural, just so that it's not overbearing. But to each their own. If you want to do that, sis, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it, because I ain't gonna judge you.
So just do it!
Y'all can follow my method, see what I do, but I'm just here to educate and have a good time. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. And I would just say, just do light strokes because you don't want to mess it up. The end of my brows tend to get very thin. So at that point, that's when I would kind of start filling it in a little bit more.
Hey, I just wanted to stop in, it's future Rudy, and say, hey, I appreciate you watching my video. You better have subscribed. You already know, because if you don't, you ugly. Okay, enjoy.
So far, I I really like how this looks. Like, it's different, it's cute, and usually you'll see me brush at the front, but I'm not gonna do that today just to be on the safe side because I'm pretty sure that's gonna mess up the form. Now we're gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer just to clean up at the bottom. I'm not gonna really try cleaning up at the top because I guess that's the whole point that I'm trying to, you know, make this a natural brow look. And I would say lightly, like you see what I'm doing, right? Lightly apply the concealer. It don't have to be that much. You just want to make sure you clean up. All right, my pretty crew members, and this is how I do my feathered brows, and I adore them. Do y'all see that these hairs are still in the same spot? Like, this is so freaking cute, and I love it. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, like I said in the beginning, you ugly, so come on, join this pretty crew.
Come on, baby. Come on, join this pretty crew.
I really hope you guys enjoyed and found it very informative, all that good stuff. Or if you have any other suggestions, just leave them down in the comment box and I'll be more than happy to see how I can learn it and perform it for you guys too. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.